there. One tall building, boy. Yeah, man. It's been a while, you know. Forward in the city. Stuck in the country for a while. Yeah, I'm on Kingston, I'm there, man. Fully. You see me? Taste of the Pacific. But I know the Pacific or the Caribbean still, them just get it wrong, you know?
You're gonna have... Hello? We're right behind you.
Yantande. Oh. Just give me weeds, but them know about this when a bad song drop. Gun pop off, shoot up the dance. Me just go fi booze, pussy car. Air Force white shoes, pussy car. Listen up, you dirty dog. Police want knock it off, 2 dirty shots. Swing money pon the squad, they got this.
City life at night, you know? Look at this. Up on the water, you know?
Sorry.
You know? City life. Take a look. This apartment that we're staying in. But notice something. This is like the balcony area, and there's a big fan on the outside. What does that tell you? Australia is not a normal place. First time I see this. This is not on the inside. A fan literally out here. Shows you how hot it gets in Queensland. It's no joke.
Get the little red thing up the way.
Yeah. Seafood boil, you know? Oyster. Yeah. A little bit of sauce. Not too much. Get it all in. Like that. Make sure you get it all. Voila. Messy. Island.
We will get all the monsters.